Hello, beautiful people! I thrifted these super cool looking egg cups and I wanted to make them into something super cute for my garden. So first things first, they both need drainage holes. So I'm pulling out my trusty drill press and drilling a hole straight through the middle of both of them. Honestly, I would have to say this is one of my favorite parts of the entire process. Now that that's done, we need to add a little bit of soil and, of course, the plants. I went with two different types of sedum. They both have pretty decent root systems, but haven't managed to grow too big for me in the 3 or 4 months that I've had them. I'm also using a new coloured aquarium sand as top dressing. This is the final product. I think they look super cute and I can't wait to see how they grow in their new home.